Let's try to solve another Leetcode problem. 978, longest turbulent subarray. So we are giving an array. Inside the array, it can be any kind of positive numbers. Yeah. So let's check the numbers. Yeah, it can be 0 or positive numbers. We want to calculate the length. Yeah, the maximum length of the turbulent array. So what is a turbulent array? So for example, if 9 is more than 4, 2 is less than 4, so 9 for 2. Yeah, let me explain again. So if 4 is more than 2, 10 is more than 2, 7 is less than 10. So for example, 4 to 10, 7, 8, and this array are turbulent because it is goes up and goes down. For example, for this 4, it goes down and goes up to 10 and goes down to 7 and goes up to 8. So this is called the turbulent array. We want to calculate the longest turbulent array. I think the easiest way is to use dp. But for dp, we need to know about the state, because currently, for the turbulent array, we need to know where it comes from. So we need to prepare two states. So one state, we need to know, for example, for this number 4, we need to know this 4 is coming from the decreasing state. So it means it is decreased from 9 to 4. Now we know what is the next state. If we want to get the longer result, yeah, so for the next result, it must goes up, yeah. But currently it is 2, it goes down. So yeah, if it goes down, we're gonna record it as 1, so the length becomes 1. Yeah. So basically, we're gonna prepare two state. Let me define a variable n as the length of the array. Now we need to define two states to calculate the dp. And one state is the increasing state. I'm gonna call it inc. So it is 1 times n. So this state means array I more than array I minus 1. And another state is decreasing state. So for the decreasing state, it is 1 times n from the beginning. And this means array I less than array I minus 1. Why I used 1? Because for the first number, if there's only one number, we're gonna record it as 1. Yeah, if it is more than one number, we're gonna update the result. And for this increasing and decreasing, these are both dp arrays. So for this increasing dp array, it means my current number is more than the previous number. Yeah, this decreasing means my current number is less than the previous number. It just record the number, how many numbers for this set. For example, if the ink, yeah. So for example, ink 9 is 1, and ink 4, because 4 is less than 9. Yeah. So ink 0 is 1. So ink 1, I mean the index. Ink 1, it is 4. So it is still 1. Ink 2, it is still 1 because it is not, yeah, more than the previous number. But for this 10, the ink 3 must be 2 because 10 is more than 2. Yeah. So if we start from the decreasing array, for example, this 4 is 1, but when it comes to 2, 2 is less than 4, so the dic2 will become 2, and then the dic2 becomes 2, and for this 10 is more than 2, so the ink 3 becomes 3, and then the dic4 becomes 4, and ink 5 becomes 5. Yeah, but what is the final result? The final result is the maximum number inside the ink and dic array. Yeah. Now let's just finish the dp function. So for I in range 1 to n, we're gonna check if array I is more than array I minus 1. So we're gonna update the increasing array. So the inc I should equal to decreasing. Yeah, if it is more than, we're gonna update it from the decreasing array. So the state from before is inside the decreasing I minus 1 plus 1. And for the decreasing array, because it is more than, so the decreasing I should be 1. And similarly, we're gonna check if this array I less than array I minus 1. So we are sure we're gonna update the decreasing I should equal to the increasing I minus 1 because it comes from the increasing, yeah, plus 1. And then the inc I should be equal to 1. And there are also other states if this array I equals to array I minus 1. Yeah, for example, this is a 4, another number is also 4. So what we're gonna do, because according to the definition, we should do nothing. So how should we do nothing? We just need to set the increasing I to 1 and decreasing I to 1. And what is the final result? Final result is just the maximum of the increasing and decreasing array. Yeah. So for the maximum array, we just need to use a star for inc and star for the decreasing array. So this is like a destructor for the JS and JavaScript, but in Python we can use a star as a destructor of the array. Just take those numbers out. Yeah. Now let me run it to check if it works. Yeah, as you can see, it works. Now let me just print out the increasing and the decreasing array. You're gonna see it clearly what is inside. Yeah. So you can see inside the increasing and the decreasing array. So from here it is a 1, and the decreasing array from here it is a 2, and from here the increasing array becomes 3, and then the decreasing array becomes 4, and next the increasing array becomes 5. So it will be the maximum. It will be the final result. Yeah. Now let me just delete those two lines and submit it to check if it can pass all the testing cases. Yeah, as you can see, it's pretty fast and it passed all the testing cases. And the time complexity is just ON. And the space complexity is also ON. Now let's check the value of N. N is 4 times 10 to the power of 4. It means it is okay. Thank you for watching. See you next time.